Alright, we are now tournament day. Sunday. And I'm gonna go hit my spot that I'm hoping it's gonna be a good one. We'll see though. See how everything goes. Let's get to the spot. We'll be back at it.
You feel a tug on the line. You can't believe its strength as the fight begins. You work hard and bring it over the side. Man, it feels good to reel this monster in. Colorado fishing adventures.
That works. That's one. Put him in. I don't know. I'm not sure what the length is supposed to be on these again. That's the thing I don't know. It's the only thing I don't know again. Don't think it's gonna work anyway, so I think it's 10 inches now, not 8. It's 10 and a half. Okay. It's 2. Alright, let's get this one measured. It's not gonna win me anything. Get him on. Let's see. Nothing huge. Come on, if I can get him to touch 12. 12. Nice. Back in. Later, bro. Calm down. That's the toughest thing always. him back in. So, all right.
I was on a handful. I got about 20 yesterday.
The,
They're all in the work
Twelve and 3/4. Should I flip them up? Probably not, but I'm gonna. Oh. 14 1/4. Yep. 14 1/4. Sweet. Back in, boy. Come on, let me hook into a couple decent sized ones, please. Oh, little one, dang it. It's still a fish, but it's not long enough. Not gonna help me. Not gonna help me, bro. But where's that? Just no, he ain't gonna. There's another. Put him back in. Yeah.
A couple other, like, I've got a couple in those little arms.
That may help. Now, see, the one that I lost, I wasn't smart because I didn't use my net.
Yeah, that's
All right. Let's see here.
what do you need? 12?
12 and a half. That actually may work.
Like, we were concerned. Like, I thought there was going to be a lot more people.
Come on, calm down. Calm down. Yeah, I got him. Cool. There you go. Whew. Come on, buddy. Come on. Work with Daddy. Work with me. Oh, you know, I know I can get you better than that, dude. All right. Here we go. Little by little, man. Little by little.
Once again, that concluded another day for me at Pueblo Reservoir, this time for the Colorado Kayak Fishing Club. And for the total for me, you'll see it at the very end here. But I was very pleased once again on how I was able to fish some new areas, kind of pick it apart. And now knowing where I can go for future tournaments will be very helpful. So hopefully this was helpful for others. And again, can't wait for the next tournament.